This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all, myself Assis. So today I am going to discuss about how to create a Linux instance in AWS using EC2 service. So first step actually, so we have to open this link, take this URL, and in browser you have to open this URL. Once you open this URL, then you have to go to this services, all services it will show. So you have to click in EC2. Once you click EC2, so here if any instance is running, it will show running instance. But if you are creating first time, so just come down, click on launch instance. It will show launch instance. So click on that. So here it will show free tier eligible. So that means actually you can use freely in this instance. Suppose you are going down, so this also free tier. So today we are going to learn Amazon Linux. So this instance we are going to create. Select this. Then this is t2.micro free tier eligible. So click configure. Here also add storage. Go. Click on configure security group. Once you click, so here actually in place of SSH, you can put all traffic so that if any application is there inside your EC2 inside your Linux instance, so that you are trying to open in your browser, so it will allow. Like example Jenkins. So here you have to put anywhere. So then you have to review and launch. So once you review and launch, so launch means actually before launching it will display what all step you did in this actually when you are creating EC2 instance, sorry Linux instance. So then click launch. So here when you are creating first time, you have to select create a new key pair. Then actually you have to put actually, suppose let's say I'll put now demo key. Sorry, let's say uh, iDream or Linux key. So once you once you name this key pair and then you are downloading key pair, then only this launch button will enable and it will allow you to proceed further. Otherwise, it will not allow. So click on load key pair. So already it is exists. That's why it's not. Let will put actually Unix key. Let I'll put this one my key. So then we will download key pair. Okay. So then it will show launch instance. So you launch the instance. So when it is initializing, this key I required, I'll code this one, I'll put it, I'll create a folder in desktop or any of, so desktop or where you can browse that one. So put it that, so that easily you will get. Let I'll put AWS setup is there. Here I'm putting this one. So let what we will do actually, click this one. Okay. So this is my running instance. So if you want also you can put your name so that you can identify. Linux 1 OS. Okay. So now here you can see public key and private key. So we require to connect using public key because we are connecting from our local desktop to AWS instance. Okay, so I'll take this one, and actually here, suppose you are coming here. So here actually once, so there is a two way to connect from your local desktop to your EC2 instance or your AWS account. So how we are going to connect? First way is like using Git bash. So once you install this Git bash, so like this you have to install. So next, 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 next. So it is going to install. So already actually it is present. So it is verifying. So no need to install again. So you this using these steps only you are going to install. Okay. So let it be. So now once you install, when you are right click, you will show, it will show you. 1 second. Yeah, when you right click, it will show you. Okay, it is installing. Let it be. So using Git bash, so what it will do? So there is a key we downloaded. Okay, so that key is actually .pem format, PEM. So this is PEM. So privacy enhanced mail. Okay, so this key actually understand by your Git bash directly. Using that, you can directly using this key you can able to connect to your Linux instance. Okay, so another way is using PuTTY. So PuTTY is not able to understand this PEM file. So because of that, we are going to convert to .ppk. So .ppk file is understood by PuTTY. So how we are going to convert using PuTTygen? That I will show you in my next video. Okay, let it be installed. So see, it is showing initializing and all. This here only your details will be there. Public key, private key. Okay, all the options. Okay, security group, everything you will get from here. So security group, networking, storage. So now, so already it is installed, and on top of that we are installing. So just because we need to show all the steps. So now, once we install, just right click, you will get actually. You will get these two options: Git GUI here, Git bash here. So you click Git bash. It is like your Linux environment actually. One command it will show. Okay, on a window will come up. So this is a window. So here what you have to do, using SSH only you are going to connect using SSH. So what is SSH? SSH is your secure shell, is a network communication protocol that enable two computer to communicate, okay, to each other. So what we are going to do, SSH hyphen I, then your PEM key name. So what is my PEM key name? My key dot PEM. Then you have to give the username. So default username for your Linux instance in EC2. So it is EC2-user. Then you have to provide your public IP. Okay. So now click enter. So first time it will ask, are you sure you want to continue connection? So you have to put yes. Okay. Then your connection established. So clear is to clear your window. So now this is your local user. If you want to go to your root user, so this is all about your how to create your EC2 instance and how to connect from your local desktop to your EC2 instance using Git bash. Thanks.